Hey everybody, this is Bill from Family Handyman and welcome to Stuff We Love. I'm filling in today for Mike Berner, who just had a baby boy. Today we're going to look at headlamps. You gotta have one these days, whether you're working, fishing, or out on the go. We've got three really great ones to look at. Let's get started. First we have the Zeus mini portable headlamp from GoPro. This is super great. It comes with a clip that'll go on your hat or your belt loop or your pack strap. It's magnetic, so it'll stick to the hood of your car or a ladder, wherever you want to put it. The mount will actually work on your GoPro helmet mount or your chest strap, which is super great, so you can use it in that way. Push it in. It's got this little light diffuser, which kind of calms down the light or keeps you from blinding your friends when you're getting it set up. It has 4 levels of brightness: low, medium, high, and then super bright, which is 200 lumens. And then it also has a strobe mode, which is great if you need to put out an SOS signal or if you're riding your bike in traffic. Really good thing to have. Built-in rechargeable battery, which will give you up to 6 hours of runtime on low and about an hour if you run it on high. I love this because you can use it with any of your GoPro mounts, and like I said, on your helmet or your chest mount. Super nice lights. GoPro really does things right. You can find this at Best Buy soon. It just came out. Or just go to the GoPro website, gopro.com. 70 bucks, great deal. So next up we have the Coast FL60R headlamp. Coast has been making headlamps for a while. They're super tough, waterproof, durable. Come with a really nice headband that's got reflective accents on it. You have this tilting feature to it. You can open it up and put in 3 AAA batteries if you want, or you can use this really nice compact lithium-ion battery, which will charge either outside of the light, or when you're inside, if it's inside the light, you can just plug it in here. Super bright light, 450 lumens when it's on high, and then it's got a medium setting and a lower setting. On the lower setting, you can get about 10 hours of runtime. On the high, you can get about a half hour. This is a really great light. Tons of sportsmen go to this light when they're out fishing or hunting. You can find it on Amazon for about 44 bucks. That's the Coast FL60R headlamp. Next up, we've got the HeadSpin light system. This is a super comprehensive light system that allows you to use the main light as a flashlight. You can mount it to your bike, or you can use it with a strap for a headlamp. It's got this spin lock system. Just match up the mounting system, turn it, you're good to go, comes off. It's really great. You can use the wall charger, which uses that same system to plug it into the wall to charge it, or you can go to the micro USB port, which is right here, and just plug the light in there with a mini USB cord. This thing is super bright. It's got 4 different light settings. So what I really like about this is just the versatility. The fact that you can use it as a flashlight. You can grab the headlamp strap, which is a really nice strap. It articulates the way it should, really comfortable. And the bike mount, which will mount on any size rail or on your handlebars if you want. And it all comes in this great carrying case. That allows you to take it with you on the go. You can find these at 170, the whole kit for 170 at Amazon. That's the HeadSpin light system. So there you have it, 3 of the best products that we found in the ever increasingly popular world of headlamps. You gotta have one of these things, whether you're camping, working on your car, even you guys that are out there on the job site every day. This is an essential thing to have. So we'll see you again next time on Stuff We Love.